In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify Rover for Roblox. If you need to verify your Roblox account with Rover for Discord, you've come to the right place. Rover is commonly used by Discord communities to link your Roblox account so your roles and profile information can be synchronized automatically. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the verification process from start to finish. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to your favorite search engine. In the search bar, type Rover Roblox. Including the word Roblox in your search helps you find the correct Rover website more easily. Look for the official Rover website in the search results and open it. Once you're on the Rover website, locate the option to add or use Rover. Select the button to continue to the verification process. If you're eligible to use the service, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Discord account. Choose the Log in with Discord option. Before continuing, make sure you're signing in with the correct Discord account that you use for the Roblox server where you want to be verified. After confirming the correct account is displayed, click Authorize to allow Rover to access the permissions it needs to complete the verification. After authorizing Discord, you'll be taken to the verification page. Follow the instructions shown on the screen and complete each required verification step. Once you've finished the required checks, select Continue to move to the next stage. Next, choose the Log in with Roblox option. Sign into your Roblox account if you aren't already signed in. Verify that the correct Roblox account is displayed before proceeding. Once you've confirmed everything is correct, select Continue and then approve the authorization request when prompted. This links your Roblox account with your Discord account through Rover. After the connection is complete, Rover will confirm that your account has been successfully verified. At this point, you can select the option to update your roles in a Discord server. Rover will display the servers where it's available, allowing you to synchronize your Roblox information with the appropriate community. If you ever need to confirm your verification status, return to the Rover verification page. It should indicate that your Roblox account has already been verified. If your server roles don't update immediately, give the bot a few moments to synchronize your information, or use the available role update option again if necessary. That's all there is to it. By signing in with both your Discord and Roblox accounts, completing the verification steps, and updating your server roles, you can successfully verify your Roblox account with Rover and access server features that require verification. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,